What is the statute of limitations? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and that's a question I get quite often. And the answer to that question is the statute of limitations is a statute, a law. The word statute just means law. That is written into the books of every state in the country. It is a law that's designed to bring an end to litigation, to claims, to lawsuits. So it lets lawsuits expire on certain dates. In Tennessee, my jurisdiction, we have the shortest statute of limitations in the country on personal injury cases. For example, in an auto accident, if you have a car wreck and you're injured, you have to bring your case within 1 year from the date of that injury. That is pretty clear. In fact, it's very clear. There is no unclear thing about an auto case. 1 year from the date of your accident, your case will expire worthless unless it is completed, settled, or a lawsuit is filed. So you toll the statute of limitations when you file a lawsuit. 1 year for auto cases. There are many other statutes for different types of personal injury cases. For example, if you're injured on the job and you have a workers' compensation case, your statute of limitations is 1 year from the date of your last accepted treatment, your last approved treatment. So by a doctor, that is. So 1 year from that date. These things are fluid. It's hard to determine exactly when the statute starts to run sometimes, except in auto cases it's very clear. If you fall down on somebody's property and injure yourself, that's very clear. It starts from the day you fell down and hurt yourself. 1 year from that date. But in cases like medical negligence and nursing home cases, it is not exactly fluid. When did the injury occur exactly? If you are claiming that you were injured by a doctor or a medical provider or someone like that, the statute for those cases is 1 year from the date of the injury, or 1 year from the date you learned of the injury, or you, in the exercise of due care, you should have learned. So folks, the best thing you can do on these things is bring your case quickly, because they do expire, and once they expire, that's it. There's no appeal from that. It's over. That is finished. So bring your case quickly. You need to see an attorney about it, though, because you never know exactly for certain when that statute date starts. Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you've had an injury that you would like to talk to someone about, I'd love to speak with you about that. Don't let the statute of limitations expire on your case. There are limits, folks. You need to see somebody right away. Call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.